It's a surprise. I'm gonna come in and drop my coat right there on the ground. What do you think?
Why don't you hang it up?
No. I'm not wearing any clothes underneath.
What? I can't hear you.
I'm not wearing any clothes underneath.
What? I can't hear you.
I'm not wearing any clothes underneath.
Why are you whispering?
I said I'm naked! Great. My coworkers now know.
It's August, Jess. Anyone who's wearing a winter coat is either naked or a hoarder. This will be good for you guys. You gotta keep it spicy. I don't understand how you still have sex at all after 7 years. I'd have to take an Ambien and pretend it's all a dream.
Well, he has this fantasy that I'm this stripper with a heart of gold and that he's helping me pay my way through college.
He didn't say the college part, did he?
No.
So, what's your stripper name?
I don't know. Rachel Johnson.
Rachel Johnson is your stripper name?
See, now I'm nervous.
Jess, remember when we were in 6th grade and we were freaks and no one would talk to us? Did you ever think you'd have a boyfriend?
No, I thought I'd be the crazy woman living above your garage.
Now look at you. You're in the back of your office completely naked. I'm so proud of you.